Hey guys, today I'm going to make a short video on riding technique. This is for beginner riders wanting to try riding off-road. Maybe you're new to riding or new to riding off-road. Sorry about the wind noise, I hope it's not too bad. So first thing you're going to want to do, get your butt up off the seat. You're going to stand on the foot pegs, on the balls of your feet. You're going to stand in a slightly crouched position. That position is going to allow you to react faster to the terrain. Obviously there's some points of the trail when you can sit down, but you're going to want to practice standing as much as you can, so that as you grow, you can ride tougher and tougher terrain. You're going to want to start with some forest roads that don't have too many rocks, maybe a little less rocky than this, and you're going to stand in that crouched attack position. That'll allow you to suck up the bumps using your legs as an extra suspension. You're going to stand with your center of gravity slightly above the tank, slightly forward but not too far forward. Get a comfortable position and just absorb those bumps, react to the terrain, lean to one side and the other side as rocks show up and the terrain changes. Second thing you're going to want to do is cover both the clutch and brake lever with one finger. This allows you to react quicker if you've got to change gears, downshift, or apply the front brake. There's something that pops up on the trail that's unexpected. You don't need to cover the rear brake with your foot. You want to be on the balls of your feet, but always ready to react with your brake pedal. Third thing you're going to want to do is keep your eyes up. You want to scan the terrain ahead of you, always ready for unexpected obstacles. And if you do this properly, train yourself to look ahead, you'll always be ready to choose your route and choose the best route, whether you're wanting to steer toward rough terrain or away from it. That eyes up mentality will help you grow as a rider, become more fast and more adaptive. Fourth thing you're always going to want to do is know your gearing. Get used to the bike, get used to the gears, so that you can know what gear is best for the terrain ahead. This is super important. Right now I'm just in second gear, putting along. I've done this road in third gear before at a quicker pace, but I ended up crashing. I was going too fast. And I'm just not that level of rider yet. But as I practice these techniques, I should be able to grow to the point where I ride this road in third gear. It's going to be difficult on this bike because of the suspension, but maybe once I upgrade the suspension, it will be a little easier to accomplish. Those are the four main tips that I have for you as a beginner rider trying out off-road. And if you stick to those points and you practice them, you'll be set up well You won't develop bad techniques, and you'll be able to do tougher and tougher terrain as time goes on. You just keep practicing those and you don't give up.